Drink water without drinking? Wait, what? Drinking water without drinking? Sounds confusing, right? Alright, I'll let you feel it in just 1 minute. Ready? Starting now, just 1 minute. Open your mouth and exhale fully with a soft ha sound. Now slowly, very gently inhale deeply through your nose. Once more, this time exhale completely deeper. Hu, emptying your lungs fully. Then inhale calmly and fully through your nose. How does it feel? A bit calmer now? If you sense this quiet softness, you've just passed your first step into K meditation. We all know deep breathing calms the mind, but it's not just the oxygen. With each breath, your body is pulling in the essence of water, what we call sugi, shuiqi in the East.